That is not an optical illusion. That pressure washer is actually 70 plus inches tall, weighs 2,100 pounds, puts out 3,000 psi at 10 gallon a minute, and is powered by a 28 horsepower water-cooled Kubota diesel. You can compare that to a Hydro-Tek unit over there that's 3,000 psi at 9 gallon a minute. I'll show you that, just how big it is when we walk around here. There's a Pressure Pro unit there. Not a cold water machine. That's a Hydro-Tek, and that's our new Alcoda 10 gallon minute diesel pressure washer. It is literally humongous. Hold on one second, I'll show you. This is on a double pallet, so it's actually only 41 inches tall here. Height-wise, this one on the pallet, 41 inches. So this unit is actually that much taller than the Hydro-Tek system. Sorry. The Hydro-Tek is phenomenal. It's our best-selling line of equipment by far. This is, like I said, this is our newest addition to our fleet. Our newest addition when it comes to different brands and commercial units. We had to go with a special order on this one to fulfill a municipality bid. That's a 30-inch diameter heating coil, like 485 feet long coil. Puts out 765,000 BTUs of power. And once again, I'm 5'8". You can see just how tall this piece of equipment is. If you need to upgrade your pressure cleaning systems, or if you just get into the business and you want to start off with anything from a small cold water pressure washer to a commercial 3,000 and 9 gallon or 3,500 to 8 gallon hot water Hydro-Tek unit like this model here, nice, compact, easy to mount on trailers, all the way up to this type of system, contact Dan Swede, Industrial Cleaning Equipment and Supply, 954-778-4386. That's 954-778-4386. You can also reach me by email at dan@ices.net. That's dan@ices.net. It'll actually be marked on the YouTube video. You'll be able to see my address, phone number, web address, contact information, etc. Give me a call. Very wholesale equipment. You'd be surprised at the type of equipment you can buy from us compared to other vendors in the nation or all over the world. You're going to get the best value for the money coming to Industrial Cleaning Equipment and Supply. Thank you. This is Dan Swede again. Contact me when you can. Thank you.